Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, March 21st. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend. It was kind of a wet one here in Southern California. And belated Nowruz Mubarak, or Happy New Year for our Persian friends. It was New Year's yesterday, and also officially the first day of spring. So I guess these are the spring showers that are coming here in Southern California. So anyways, let's start off here with the economic news releases. We have existing home sales. We'll be kind of experiencing the sales of home for the first half of this week, and then later on we'll have the leading indicators or GDP and durable goods orders. Excuse me. Those two items will be towards the end of the week. Will be kind of what will kind of set the tone here. So existing home sales are kind of down a little bit. They're down 4.88. I mean, it's up, but it's not down from what they were estimating or even the prior month. Technical stock market's up, and that's a lot of that has to do with they're kind of infatuated with the AT&T announcement of purchasing T-Mobile for $39 billion for part of cash and stocks. Over the weekend, we were kind of seeing the UN enforcing the no-fly zone coming in. Also, Japan, we haven't heard really any negative news or any bad news, so is that kind of good news? We're hoping the best for the people over in Japan. From my understanding, there's been some smoke coming up, but they don't know exactly the source. It might be the steam from there, but the radiations aren't increasing or anything. So it looks like that could be positive, possibly. Hopefully, the best will happen. Oil is now over $102 per barrel again. And also the Treasury announced that they're going to be selling mortgage-backed securities, which is about for approximately $10 billion per month for the next 14 months. So they're trying to load about $140 billion worth of mortgage-backed securities. So that could have a effect on the interest rates as well for the next year or so. They didn't exactly announce when they're going to do it. So some economists are projecting maybe next year when they start raising rates, when they may do that. So we'll kind of see. So let's take a look here at the bond market. We're just down a little bit, about 9 basis points, and then all of a sudden it just dropped. We were as low as minus 45. Now, as you can see, we're negative 40, and a lot of that had to do with what the Dow is. I think it's kind of an overreaction. Usually, when we're at war, so to speak, usually this creates a more of a bear for the bond market, not so much bullish for the bond market, not a bearish action here. So, but I think the news for AT&T, the emotions kind of got the better of them. I think you'll see this kind of subside a little bit over the course of the day. So I think this coupled with the Fed or the Treasury's announcement, they didn't know exactly how to work until they kind of disseminate a little bit more of the information. I think you'll see it subside a little bit more over the course of the day. It's kind of an overreaction due to the extreme, probably emotions that's being felt on Wall Street with the AT&T announcement and stuff. They seem to really like it. So, all right, folks. So obviously rates have worsened today as a result of this. So we could see some price improvements over the course of the day. Exactly how much this will improve, not really positive. So we'll kind of have to wait and see. All right, folks. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow.